Hey, hello.
Yeah, hi, Ramya ma'am. Good evening.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good evening. How
So,
about you? How are you doing?
yeah, I am fine. So, ma'am, very good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Prachi from the Cancer Samiksha, Pune. So, today we are having one of our patient, Vankidu Swami's relative. Basically, he is a 67-year male patient diagnosed with the solitary plasmacytoma. So, ma'am, would you like to share your experience and how patient diagnosed with the cancer and how you go through with all the treatment, cancer treatment duration? What is your experience during treatment duration?
Yeah, yeah. So actually, two of my uncles are cancer patients. Okay, one of my relatives, this Venkateswamy uncle. So he doesn't have kids, so I go there and kind of provide moral support and some financial support there to my native place. I go. So I reside in Bangalore and he is in Coimbatore. So in that time, right, it is very difficult to meet the doctor. There is a time crisis, no, like going there and meeting the doctor and all. So it
Correct.
didn't happen. And also, it's a small city, right? It's not a big city, and the process in the hospitals are processes are not structured. It's not streamlined and not prioritized properly. So getting the reports on time and meeting the doctor and all is not that easily possible. So when they come for rounds, it is like patients are attended, but attenders, right?
Yes.
We have to, yeah, caretakers, if we have to meet the doctors, right? It is not that easily possible. That too because of this COVID situation also.
Yes.
So yeah, and I myself felt sometimes, right? I mean, another relative is in a village. So the hospitals are kind of centralized, right? If it is decentralized, if the services are decentralized, it
Yes.
is better, is what I felt. Because people from village, right? It's very difficult to commute and stay there.
Yes.
So I was searching for. So the other uncle is like severely like affected, and he's counting his days. He's in last stage, but commuting to the city and going back is very difficult for him.
Correct.
And he, like my another uncle also is affected, so I was surfing and searching for it. If something is available like this online support or services support, if it is available, if we can avail.
Okay.
How I landed in Samiksha, and that too it should be a hospital also, no? It
Yes.
shouldn't be something, yeah, away from hospital. Some online support I don't need. So that's how I landed in Samiksha. Just surfed and went through. It was very good actually.
Okay. Okay. And what is your experience with the Cancer Samiksha team and doctors team and services?
Yeah, it's nice, nice thought and nice needed service is what I feel. I suggest or propose that it should be extended to smaller cities or villages around cities
Okay.
in other states as well.
Yes.
I mean, of course, in Tamil Nadu also.
Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am. So,
Very much needed is what I feel. Yeah,
yes, ma'am. So, have you satisfied with the Cancer Samiksha services?
very true. Yeah, yeah. Satisfied now.
Or you
Very well
got all your
satisfied.
queries answered by our medical oncologist team? Whatever you have discussed, and
Yes, yes,
how was your
yeah,
experience with the doctor during discussion or during call?
yeah, yeah. It was good.
So, would
And
you
it
like?
was the conversation was amicable. Yeah.
Okay, so would you like to recommend other people for the online?
Already recommended. Already I proposed sent
Okay,
information to people.
okay. Or any suggestions would you like to give the Cancer Samiksha panel to improve their services?
That's what I believe it should be extended to other states also. If I don't know, like if I can play some role there, or if something is open for it, I'm eager to take it.
Okay,
If
okay. Surely I'll convey your message to my team also. And
yeah, sure.
how much rating will you give to Cancer Samiksha and his team for their approach?
Excellent.
Okay, clear. Sure.
Excellent.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I hope your uncle will recover soon. And if you require any assistance in the future, please feel free to call us at any time. Thank you so much.
Yeah.